my friends, hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to on. My friends, it is cold outside and I got my pajamas on, so I figured why not make a nice pot of dark hot chocolate. And my friends, this recipe is thebomb.com. It is so delicious and creamy, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make, and it's perfect on a cold day. So grab your dark chocolate chips and your heavy cream sugar, because we're about to make some dark hot chocolate magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large pot, I got the fire over medium heat. I have 1 cup of dark chocolate chips. And we're going to add in 1 cup of heavy cream. Going to give that a stir. And you want to stir constantly until the chocolate chip melts. Alright my friends, the chocolate chips is nice and melted. So next, we're going to add in 4 cups of half and half, which is half milk, half heavy cream. Give that a stir. And all we do is let the hot chocolate get nice and hot. You don't want it to boil. Alright my friends, our dark hot chocolate is finished. And there's a couple of more things I gotta add to it. And I removed it off the fire and off the stove. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 1 teaspoon of cocoa extract. And stir that in. Alright, I'm gonna finish stirring my extracts in and I'll fix me up a glass. Alright my friends, I picked me up a glass and there's a couple more things I gotta add to it. Some whipped cream and some dark chocolate chips and a few mini marshmallows. And there you have it my friends, homemade dark hot chocolate. Doesn't that look pretty? Alright, so now I'm about to give it a taste. And I got a straw in it so I won't burn my mouth. Alright, here we go. Full of dark chocolate goodness. It is so warm, comforting. This hot chocolate definitely warms up the soul. If y'all love dark chocolate, y'all will love this. This deserves another sip. Hot chocolate-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Let's drink and stay warm, my friends. Cheers!